how to hide your birthday on Facebook. So if you want to hide your birthday on Facebook, if you don't want people to see it on your profile, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook app, go to your profile, scroll down and click on see your about info. Scroll down and you're going to go to basic info. Here you're going to see your birthday. So you click on the pencil icon at the right. You're going to be greeted with two options, the year and the month. So if you want to hide one of them, you can hide one of them. If you want to hide both of them, you can also hide both of them. So if you want to hide your birthday on Facebook, you click on the public and click on only me. Click on done. Click on public for the year too and click on only me. Click on done. But if you want people to see only the month, you can choose to show that one. Click on public and click on OK. So if you want to hide both of them, more power to you. You can click on only me. Once you are done with your settings, you click on save. And from now on, people won't see your birthday when they check your profile. It will be hidden for everyone. So that's how you hide your birthday on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.